Scott Boda here with Steeda Autosports to talk to you about our brand new Ford Bronco hood strut kit. We're going to go into the quick installation, how it uses some factory components, and it's a really cool kit because it actually raises your hood 5 inches taller, which gives you more room for working underneath the hood of your Ford Bronco. And it's made right here in Valdosta, Georgia, so stay tuned. We're going to show you how to throw it on this sweet Bronco that we got a couple guys working on. We got Riley and Mowat. They're checking out some measurements for our upcoming cold air kit, as well as some really cool GoPro camera mounts. So busy day here at Steeda, but let's get into that install. First, locate the 11mm bolt on your Bronco fender. You'll notice there is a hole behind it on each side. Using the plate, using the correct orientation with the ball stud facing towards the motor and angled down, you're going to install the Steeda fender mounting plate. Use the provided Steeda 8mm bolt using a 13mm socket and wrench to securely fasten it to the fender. The washer is going to go on the bottom side to help spread the load. You're going to then reattach the factory bolt. Repeat this process for the other side. Then undo the factory nuts. You're going to loosen them up one at a time, and now be careful when you loosen up the second nut, the hood will want to slide back on you. Like I said, leave the prop rod holding the hood. An extra set of hands here will make things easier. Now you'll notice in the video we used some tape to mark off where the factory brackets were. This allows you to properly realign the hood once you go ahead and bolt on the Steeda plate. The Steeda plate also has the bracket with the ball stud facing towards the center of the vehicle or towards the motor. Also looking at the pattern of where the painted washers line up on the factory bracket will help you get that secured back into place. Tighten these to factory specifications, don't go too tight, and you're good to go. Go ahead and install the Steeda hood strut with the larger gas portion of the tube towards the hood and the shock shaft closer to the fender. Repeat this process for the other side, and that completes the Steeda hood strut kit for your Ford Bronco. All right, as you can see, super easy install with that hood strut kit. Like I said, we like to incorporate factory attachment points with some of the kits. It's available here at Steeda.com, so check out the link above. Remember, follow us up on all of our social media channels, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Like, subscribe. Remember, Steeda, where speed matters.